guys, welcome to Easy Nails. Today we are going to create gel X après dupe nails from AliExpress. So I just showed you guys some of the gel full cover nails there, you guys. These are super affordable. Again, I got them from AliExpress and they are wonderful. I've tried them before and they last 3 to 4 weeks until your next infill, so highly recommend. So obviously I prepped and primed my nails. I prep and prime in my other videos. You guys can check that out. And I am using Light Elegance P Plus Gel Base to apply these gel full cover nails onto my nail. And I suggest you guys start by applying them at the cuticle area and then working your pressure towards the free edge. This is the best way that I found to prevent air bubbles. And there's still going to be a few little air bubbles in there, but as long as they're not big, I wouldn't worry about it. The most important thing to make that these nails last is that you guys prep and prime properly. That is the most important step. So we are going in with our Light Elegance gel polish, and I'm going to paint a nice coat over these nails. And these nails do last, you guys, for 3 to 4 weeks until your next infill. You can fill in with acrylic or gel, whatever you guys want. I really like these nails. They are made up of gel, and they already have all the structure and apex for their built in there, you guys. So you really just have to adhere them onto your nails. You can also use polygel to adhere them onto your nails or nail glue. In this video I use base gel, but whatever works for you guys. So I am just ensuring that there's no gel on my skin here. You guys always want to make sure when working with gel polish that you make sure before you go into a UV lamp that you get any gel off of your skin. It's really hard to get off once it's already cured in the lamp, and it's not good for your skin either. So you want to make sure that you clean off any gel that touches your skin before you put it into your lamp. And I'm just going to finish off giving these a nice coat. And today I'm going to show you guys how to do a really pretty French design with watercolor neon pigment. I'm going to show you how to create a watercolor effect with neon pigments. It's super fun and easy. So just keep watching. And I'm going to finish up painting these nails. So I cure these in the LED UV lamp, and here I'm going in with some more gel polish. This is by Light Elegance as well. It's kind of like a beige taupey color, and I believe it is called a lot of gelato. And I am taking a liner brush here. I got this one from Amazon, and I'm basically just dragging it along the edges of the nails into a V point at the tip, and then I'm rounding off that tip. And I did that to all of the nails here, you guys. So again, you guys, taking my liner brush and drawing a line on each side of the nail. And then if you want your French to be rounded, you can go in the middle here. You're going to see I'm going to go in and you basically just connect that V tip. So this is how to do French nails, you guys. It's really easy. I have super shaky hands, so using a liner brush is a must for me. It really helps you guys get those straight lines. And you can see here how I'm rounding out that French here. And you guys can go as deep into your nail bed as you want to with this design. And I am just completing this on all the nails. And then I'm going to show you how to get that watercolor effect with neon pigment. Super pretty and fun. I'm just finishing up drawing French lines on all the nails here, and then I'm going to go in with this neon pigment. I got a whole set of these, you guys, from eBay. It was around $12, and these pigments also glow in the dark, so that is always super fun. So I'm taking a makeup sponge here, and I'm using the tip of it, and I'm basically dabbing into that white gel polish that we used earlier. I'm using a dabbing motion, and this is going to create the watercolor effect. So I'm basically just dabbing, taking a little bit of pigment and dabbing it onto that white line. Now it's okay if you guys get onto the main part of the nail. I'm going to show you how I clean that up in the next bit. So it's okay if you're not very precise with this. Try to be, but if a little bit of pigment gets in places that you don't want, it's okay. I'm going to show you guys how to clean it up. So again, I'm just taking this pink pigment. This is a hot pink pigment, and I am dabbing it, pat motions on that white line of the French nail. And I super love this idea, you guys, of neon French tip. And I tried to get that really cool watercolor effect with the neon pigments. I really enjoyed working with them. They weren't as messy as I thought they would be, but they do stain, you guys, so be careful with these. So here is this neon green pigment, and I am taking a little bit on the tip of that brush, you guys, and I'm patting it into the white area of the French line, and I'm alternating in different positions on different nails where I think it would look best. And again, just pat that neon pigment. If you feel that the color isn't strong enough, you can go on and take some more. But this pigment is pretty strong, you guys, so I suggest working in little bits of the pigment, and you can always pick up more if you need to. And I'm really loving the way this is turning out. It is looking so cool. I really like this idea. So I am just doing this in random spots along the French white line of all the nails. Okay, you guys, so now I'm grabbing this neon orange color, and I am doing the same process, just picking a little bit of that on the corner of this sponge, and I am patting it into that white gel polish here on the French design. And you guys, if you guys have not subscribed already, I would love it if you would subscribe. I teach you guys how to create easy and beautiful nails, all from the comfort of your home. So I would love it if you would join us. And as always, you guys, if you have any questions, comments, or anything, I would love to hear your thoughts down below. And please like this video Comment below what you guys would like me to do next, any nail designs or things you guys need help with. I would be happy to do so. So I also went in, you guys, here with this blue one. I forgot to get that on camera, but I went in with this blue pigment as well. And I basically did the same thing, pat, pat, pat with the sponge. And then here I'm showing you guys how to perfect that French. So I went in with the same liner brush that I used before. I cleaned it off, of course. And then I added a little rubbing alcohol onto this brush, okay? I have a little rubbing alcohol here on the side and a clean paper towel. And basically what I'm doing is going back and forth between wiping off the excess pigment there and then wetting my brush again with the rubbing alcohol to get it off. So I found that here I could really perfect the shape of my French line, and I could easily remove any excess pigment that is in place that I do not want. So again, I was just going back and forth, wiping off my liner brush on a clean paper towel here and dipping into the rubbing alcohol. So this really helped perfect everything and clean any pigment powder that was where we do not want it. So I did this throughout all the nails. I made sure everything was crisp and clean and really perfecting up that smile line of our French. Okay, you guys, and I'm getting really excited. Here is my favorite part, the top coat part. These nails are looking absolutely gorgeous. I love this neon watercolored French tip design. I am obsessed with these. They are so beautiful and fun. So as always, you guys, the top coat that I'm using here is aimeili No Wipe Top Coat. And that is it. These Gel X dupe nails from AliExpress with a really cool watercolor neon pigment French design. Please be sure to subscribe.